this video, I will share how you can make $393,000 without experience, without technical knowledge, without a website, without mailing list, without social media following. It can be done by any experience level. Any beginner can do it, any professional can do it. And it can be done from anywhere on the planet. And you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, your choice. Sounds good? Before we begin, this video was meant to be for our customers training. But we decided to publish this video on YouTube and other social media channels so everyone can learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And you can participate in our noble mission of helping 100 million people in the next 10 years simply by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and in your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines. This way, your friends and family will learn how to make money using their computer and their internet connection from the comfort of their home. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. Let's begin with today's money motivation. This is the last 5 minutes update of one of my Warrior Plus accounts. And what you see here is the sales revenue. Let me take a screenshot. Alright, so today's, yesterday, last 30 days, and last month. Looks exciting, but more exciting are these visitors. These are the real people who watched our contents or gone through our contents just like this video, clicked our links, and they decided to purchase from us our offers, our recommendations, and we made passive affiliate commissions. So why am I saying passive affiliate commissions? Because we didn't do the selling. In fact, I don't know how to sell. So if you don't know how to sell, you will still be able to make money online easily, just like us, using today's method. So stay tuned till the end of the video and let us begin. So we make videos, but to make our life easier and avoid using cameras and microphones, we built our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. With Epic, not only me, but also my team members can easily make videos using text, image, video clips, and artificial intelligence. When we use Epic, we don't need to write script for our video. We simply go to the text section, click the text generator, copy any text from anywhere, put it here, click any of these buttons, and the text is rewritten with AI or artificial intelligence. Then we take that text, go to the audio section, go to the text to audio section and click this button, put our text here, and just one click turns our text into natural sounding voiceover. How cool is that? But that's not all. Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos just like these sections on the right hand side. With this bite-sized method, we can make tiny sections of videos and save the campaign or project and go to our other works. And when we come back, we are free. We add another section just by clicking the add new button. And here is an amazing part. All the videos that we make are saved or stored as templates for our Epic users. So Epic users can click any of these and make their own videos from our video. You can use the campaign, you can add new information, you can use as is, or you can create a completely new video from the same idea. Or we simply click create to add a blank section. Then we take these videos and publish these videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. They are helpful, people love them, they click our links, buy from us, and we make money. That's the simplest way to make money online, and you can do it too. I'm going to show you how we find topic that helps people, how we know what people are looking for, and how we even make videos without being an expert on the topic. So Epic is free, link is in the description. Grab Epic and start making videos. So how do we find topic of our videos? We simply follow the big guys. Example, Neil Patel. Neil is an SEO authority. Let me take a screenshot for easy demonstration. This is Neil Patel. And in this video 2 weeks ago, he said why we acquired Answer the Public. Let me add this screenshot on Epic. Just copy this image, go to Epic, go to the new section, click the button under copy and paste image upload. Click here, Control V, and one click upload. The image is in the library. One click to use it for my video. So the information is Neil Patel acquired Answer the Public. Let's give this slide a name. Neil Patel video answer the add new. By the way, the video I am making here on Epic will be available for the Epic users as template, and you can use it too if you grab Epic access. Link is in the description. So I was curious and I went to answerthepublic.com and I found it's a keyword tool, but much easier than other keyword keyword tools with numbers and strings. It's simple looking. You can search with a keyword and find out what people are looking for. So I searched with affiliate marketing and I found 79 questions all about why, are, how, where, when, will, can, who. I clicked on that data tab and I found all this. This is so cool. Now I clearly know what people are looking for about affiliate marketing. Now, all these questions that people are looking for are in my hand, in front of me. I will simply click on one and go to Google, like how affiliate marketing, and I will go through all these articles, let's say 5 to 10 articles. And for that, I will take probably 2 to 3 hours of my time. And then I will go to YouTube and search with the same keyword or look for other similar keywords and learn about the topic, watching 5 to 6 videos. Then I will go to Ubersuggest and take more ideas about the search volume. Let's click Save Image, download image, go to Epic, click the Browse button and upload the image. Then add the image right here. So cool. But I also want to show where the image came from. So I'll take the visible part, screenshot, copy and add this as well and just add a simple arrow. Cool, save it. Later I will come back, add voiceover, more text, more clarifications, more sections and complete my video. That's how we make videos using Epic without camera, without microphone, and without writing script. Not only we will make long videos, but also we make short videos. Short videos or shorts are hot on YouTube, and you'll find hundreds of thousands of views on these 1 minute long short videos that you can easily make using Epic in 3 to 5 minutes of your time. Why are they so hot? Because Shorts is a new feature on YouTube and YouTube is trying to make it popular in order to compete with TikTok and Instagram. With videos, you will get free visitors from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram and other social media channels. Your helpful content will make them love you, follow you, click your links and buy from you. That's exactly how we make money online and it's super simple. Now you have made a lot of videos, not all videos in one day, but one video per day. If you make one video per day, you will end up making 365 videos in 1 year. And Epic can help you make videos without effort. Now you go to a place like Udemy that has 100 million monthly customers and 20% of those customers come from Google. So if you upload your bundle of videos in the form of online course, these 100 million customers will buy your course, your bundle of videos, and you will make money. I just searched with affiliate marketing and I found 513 results. Now look at this course. This course was sold to 28,151 students at the price point of $13.99. That makes $393,000. Now this is additional income apart from your regular affiliate commission. So that's the super simple process we use every single day using Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description, and you can do it too. In fact, hundreds of thousands of other people are doing it every single day using YouTube and using other video channels. And yes, of course you can do it too. All you have to do is to start. So start today. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn the same. And you can participate in this noble mission. All you have to do is to hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and client because you're helping them with good information. So go ahead, like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.